Hi students, welcome to Whichchem YouTube channel. In this video we have received a new update from the NTA regarding the extension of the application. So as of now 9th March was the last date for application. So as many students could not avail and could not have the proper documentation for the application. So now it is on the 9th March it is released a notice regarding the extension of the dates. So like this many urgent videos will be there. So try to subscribe my channel and like the video and share this video to all your friends. So here now the date is extended up to the 16th March for the 2024 and up to 10 p.m. you can apply it and 10:50 p.m. you can apply it and 11:50 you can make the payment. So many information I am going to share my in my Telegram channel also. Try to join in the Telegram channel for more information. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the Telegram channel and more videos to come.